In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an overlay on a background video in Webflow. We'll start right inside your Webflow project in the designer. Make sure you're on the page where you want the video hero or section to live. The idea here is simple. We'll place a background video, then layer content on top so it's easy to read and looks polished. First, add a div block to the canvas. This will act as the wrapper for your entire section. It's a good practice to give it a clear class name and set its width to 100% with a suitable height for your layout, like a full viewport height if you're building a hero. That way, everything inside scales predictably. Next, add a background video component inside that div block. Upload or select your video and let Webflow handle the playback settings. For best performance, keep your video short, optimized, and muted if it will autoplay. You can also add a poster image so the section looks good before the video loads. Now drop in a text block on top of that same div block. This is the content you want to overlay. Think a headline, a short tagline, or a call to action. Don't worry if it lands below or beside the video for now. We'll position it in a moment. Select the div block wrapper and change its position to relative. This step is crucial because it creates a positioning context. Anything we position absolutely inside this wrapper will now anchor to it, not the entire page. Click the text block and change its position to absolute. With absolute selected, you can use the positioning controls to place it where you want. Top left, centered, bottom right, anywhere that supports your design. If the text feels hard to read on your video, consider increasing font weight, adding letter spacing, or using a contrasting color. For better visualization as you design, feel free to drop in an image over the video as a temporary reference. It can help you judge contrast and spacing while you fine-tune your overlay. You can remove it later. Return to the div block and switch its layout to flex. Using flex on the wrapper gives you quick control over alignment and distribution if you add more overlay elements. It also helps keep things organized as your design grows. Finally, refine your overlay text. Adjust font size, color, line height, and padding so it's legible across breakpoints. Preview on different screen sizes and tweak the absolute position if needed. That's it. Your overlay on a background video is in place. Congratulations.